A very good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are doing great. Today we are going to do question answers of class 8th English channel unit 3 section B. Name of the chapter Boating with Friends. Students, word meaning I have given in chapters. So see the video of chapter of this chapter's explanation and write word meaning from there. And here I am giving you question answers. So please write questions from here. First of all, we'll do read to understand. First question, answer these questions with reference to the construct. First, I didn't, these are the sayings, these are the words spoken by someone. So, on the basis of these, you have to answer these questions. I didn't think he would have the pluck to do it. Did you? First question from this, identify the speaker and the listener. Harry is the speaker and George is the listener here. Second question, who is the he referred to? He being referred to here is Jerome. Third, what did he have the pluck to do? Jerome had the pluck to jump into the freezing water for a swim. Have the pluck means have courage. Jerome had the pluck to jump into the freezing water for a swim. What does this reveal about the speaker's opinion? This reveals that Harry did not have much confidence in Jerome earlier, but now that he had jumped into the freezing water, Harry showed some admiration for Jerome's courage. Answer. I am repeating it again. This reveals that Harry did not have much confidence in Jerome earlier, but now that he had jumped into the freezing water, Harry showed some admiration for Jerome's courage. Let us see the second part of this. What a heartless maniac you are. This is the line, or on the basis of this line, we have to answer these questions. First question is, whose words are these? To whom are they spoken? These are Jerome's words and these are spoken to George. Second question, why is the person being called a heartless maniac? Answer, George is being called a heartless maniac because he was laughing loudly when Jerome, in his hurry to put on his shirt, accidentally threw it into the freezing water. Next question. What are the speaker's feelings at this moment? The speaker is very annoyed and losing his temper at the laughing George. Fourth question, D. What does the speaker do shortly after saying this? Answer, Jerome manages to get the shirt onto the boat's hook and haul it out of the water. Let us see the next questions. Answer these questions. First question, where were the three friends and what time of day was it? Answer, the three friends were boating on the Thames River and it was 6 in the morning. Question 2. Why do you think Jerome and George shared some not true stories? Answer, Jerome and George shared some not so true stories to show off their bravery and courage to each other. Question 3. What had the three planned to do the previous night? Answer, the three of them had planned to get up early in the morning and leap into the river for a long swim. Question 4. What motivated Jerome to pretend to be brave? Answer, Jerome pretended to be brave because going for the early morning swim was his idea in the first place and he desperately wanted to show that it wasn't a harebrained idea, so he decided to save face by going down to the edge and just dipping his legs into the river. Question number 5. What did George find very funny? Answer, Jerome, who was cold and soaking wet, got back to the boat and was in a hurry to put on his shirt. However, in his haste, he accidentally threw it into the water. This made George burst into laughter as he found it extremely funny. Question number 6. What was the precious moment? Answer. The precious moment was the one in which Jerome realized that it was not his shirt but Joe's, which had fallen into the water. Jerome had mistaken it for his in the hurry to get dressed. Question number 7. What did Harry find really amusing? Answer. When Jerome tried to make Joe see the fun of the entire episode with the shirt, he could not. George was very dense at seeing a joke sometimes, or perhaps he did not care much about doing to others as he wanted them to do to him. Harry found that really amusing. This is all, students. Discuss and write you need not to do. You do these in your fair notebook and learn also. I will give you an oral test for this. Okay. Take care of yourself. Thank you for watching the video.